Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk about how to properly fill a motorcycle gas tank. So I have here a Harley Davidson Sportster, and I've already swiped my card. It's ready to go. I picked 91 octane for this motorcycle. It runs better. It has slightly more horsepower when you run on a higher octane, so that's why I choose it. So the first thing you want to do is make sure your motorcycle is off. No lights should be on. Your ignition should be in the off position. And then take off your filler cap. So as you can see, this one's, I don't know if you can see that in the video, this one's almost full already. We're just going to put a little bit more in for the sake of the video. So when you fill it up, you're going to insert the nozzle all the way down. And you're going to watch, because gas could overflow, and I'm only squeezing the handle a little bit. See how the handle's already clicking? That's the automatic shut off. Okay, it's full. Can you see how it's sloshing around in there a little bit? So that's how you know the tank is full, is when you can see the gas level, or this thing keeps clicking off. So those are your two hints. So I let it drip for a second before I take it out, because I don't like to drip on my tank. Put the filler away, and then in case I did drip any, I always take one of the paper towels and do a little wipe down. So while you're filling, another sign to look for to know that it's full is if you can hear the sound, like the octave of the sound is going to go up. It's going to go whoop, and when you hit that high note, you know it's about full. If you do overflow and you have gas pouring down the sides of your tank, these tanks are coated in clear coat, which is a two-part hardened clear coat, and so gas will not destroy the tank, but you do need to wipe it off. So make sure you get some paper towels from the free window wash thing and wipe down your tank, because you don't want the gas sitting on there, because if it sits for a long time, it can eat away at the clear coat. So make sure you clean that very good if you spill. If you've been riding for a long time and gas gets on the engine, it's dangerous, so make sure you wipe it off as quickly as you can, because that gas will vaporize, and if a lot of it vaporizes, it can ignite. So make sure you wipe it off very, very quickly.